Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm going to show you the markets and the total cryptocurrency markets. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button, and now I'm in Malta. You can join me for the AIBC summit. It starts on the 14th. So in the next 2 days, we'll be at the Hilton Hotel in Malta. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals, and Bitcoin is still in this ascending kind of triangle, I would say, ascending triangle. It's building pressure, and you can see it's about to have that movement. Now, it can go two ways out of an ascending triangle. Normally, ascending triangle is bullish, and it could be actually, but it should be bullish actually, an ascending triangle like this. But we did have this big drops during the whole crisis. FTX crisis, we dropped all the way to 15, then it had a big recovery. It's actually bullish. I would close the short. The short is exactly where it's slightly in the profits from earlier this morning. It did exactly what we said in that video. It came up, activated, and now it's going down, so it's in profits. But I would close it here because it does look strong actually. It does look like an ascending triangle. Normally, if you take away the rest of the history, normally ascending triangles break to the upside. Let's look on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we had that big symmetrical triangle that broke to the downside. That's why I would think that it could drop more. But you can see here that it keeps doing hammer candles. These are hammer candles when the price spikes down and then quickly moves back up, and it doesn't close the candle down anymore. You can see here hammer candle, hammer candle, hammer candle, hammer candle, hammer candle, hammer candle. It's a bullish pattern. They're bullish candlestick patterns. It means there's a lot of force pushing it up. It doesn't let it come down. On the hourly as well. So I think that this is going to break to the upside, this ascending triangle. So it actually flipped to go long here. The distance that we could break out is this distance here. That could take us to the previous resistance, which is the middle of the symmetrical triangle around here, 17,496. So I would go long here on Bitcoin. So I'd open a long from here, stop loss just beneath in case it decides to wick down, and take profit at that target. So that gives us a 3.88 ratio trade, risking $164 to make $637 without leverage. With 10x leverage, I would make $6,370. I would open the trade at where we are right now, 16,852, take profit at 17,490, and stop loss at 16,687, risking $164 to make $637. 10x leverage will be $6,370. Over on Bybit, that's where I do my trades. If you want to trade Bitcoin, I recommend using I use Bybit. It's one of the best exchanges. It's second biggest to Binance on liquidity. And I know the CEO and very smart company. But again, after FTX, learn not to keep funds on there. Just move funds to trade on Bybit and do your trading there. But if you make profits or if you buy spot, you can take it off chain onto your own wallets using Ledger. That's what I always do. If you want to trade, you can use this link in the description down below. You can sign up and you get $30,000 US bonus when you use that link, partner.bybit.com. This link down below. You have to use that link to get a $30,000 bonus. They up the bonus, and you have to meet the conditions to receive the full $30,000. You can also buy MCRT on Bybit. So everyone go down below, sign up to Bybit and trade there. Let's jump into Ethereum now. Ethereum is slightly down as well. The market is also not that down. The Bitcoin is slightly down, Ethereum slightly down, Magicraft leading the markets. Look at this. Then after that, it's Shiba. The only thing that's really up today is Dogecoin, up 6%, which is huge. Let's go into Ethereum now. So we're going into Ethereum, which is here. And then I'll do the total market cap. So Ethereum, let's see what it's showing us. On the hourly, it's building pressure. If you took that trade from last time I showed Ethereum, you're massively in the profits. We went long there, so that's beautiful. Close that trade, and it's breaking out of the bull flag to the upside. So I'd go long here for Ethereum. That's a bull flag. What you're seeing here, you can see here you've got the pole of the flag, and then a bull flag forming, which should move the pole of the flag, which takes us back to 1,443. So I'd take the trade here, stop loss just underneath the previous support, take profit at the target, 7.44 risk to reward ratio trade. So 16% profit with 10x leverage will be 160% profit. That's the trade that I would take on Ethereum right now. Opening the trade where we are at 1,268, stop loss at 1,230, and take profit at 1,464. Risking $27 to make $205 per Ethereum. With 10x leverage will be $2,050 profits, which is beautiful. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos now. Same bull flag forming on total market cap of all cryptos. There's a few bullish patterns forming here across the board. If this bullish pattern breaks out, the target will be for all cryptocurrencies almost 900 billion. So we're going to move up 100 billion, which is interesting. Looks like we could have some bullish momentum in the markets. Let's look at MCRT. And again, I am the founder of this project. You have to do your own due diligence. It's not financial wise. Look at this. Wow, there was a spike here. Someone bought quite a lot of MCRT. It shot it up all the way to 0.0076, and then it pulled back. That was quite a big buy that took away a lot of sell walls, which is interesting. Also making a kind of bullish pattern here. We've got a symmetrical triangle here. The same kind of symmetrical triangle that we saw before, and a big bullish breakout that pulled back. So that's quite interesting. If it breaks out of here, then MCRT, and again, you have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. I am the founder of this project. If it breaks out here, it'll be taking us to 0.0074, which is beautiful. That's on the 4-hourly and oversold as well, heading up. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what's happening in the markets. Again, all trades you can do on Bybit. Down below, sign up, use that link. You get $30,000 bonus, and you can also buy MCRT on there. And don't forget to join me on AIBC in Malta. I'll be speaking on the 16th, but it starts on the 15th, I think, 14th or 15th, AIBC in Hilton Hotel in Malta. I'll be talking about Web3 and showing Magic Craft at the Hilton. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.